Welcome to today's headlines. I would want you to read in full in today's headline. I would want you to go to those newspapers and read the news today. We won't be silenced over mass suffering in Nigeria, NLC. This is Vanguard News. US announces 27 million humanitarian aid for Nigeria. This is coming from Tribune Online. Go and read it. Just in, Chinese investors take over Nigerian guest house in Liverpool. This is People's Gazette Nigeria. Smart lights. The preteen girls wear design app to fight food insecurity. Please, I would want you to go and read this on BBC. Food security. Caribbean states seek partnership with Nigeria. I don't know whether they are giving Nigeria food or Nigeria is giving them, but I know Caribbean will be giving them food. This is Daily Trust. Update. Nigeria wasted over $500,000 at COP28. Will be prudent. This is Premium Times Nigeria. Traditional worshippers demand new system of oath taking. This one, maybe they have defied the oath taking. They want to have a new oath taking. This is Daily Post, Nigeria. Nigerian canvases enhance corporations, regional integration. This is This Day Life. Go and read. Let us know what the man is saying there. Tinubu's foreign trip cost Nigeria 2.3 billion in 6 months. Only one man traveling. Travel that is 5 million, 1 million. Let's go on. Nigeria need new mapping to address insecurity. Surveyors, are you people that will fight it? The Nigerian army, Nigerian police cannot fight this insecurity. Is it you people that will fight? Okay, you are making a road where the army will follow and tackle insecurity. Do you think where these Boko Harams and unknown gunmen are staying has roads? Well, let us know that. It is Punch newspaper. Today, I bring you these news headlines. I would want you to go and read them in full. I will be coming up another time. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin, the man who says he will not stop crying until things are done right. Let us live in peace anywhere we find ourselves. Let not do illegal things. Let us do the right things at the right time. Let us say something about the bad act. Let us do something. Let us walk to somewhere. Let us make our country a place to stay. God bless you. Till next time.